Can you really get paid to test websites and apps? Yes, you can, and in this video I'm going to show you top 5 websites. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video again I'm going to show you how to get paid to test websites and apps. This works in 2020, it will work in 2021. I'm going to show you top 5 websites and they paid $10, $20, even $30 for a quick 10-minute up to 20-minute test. It's definitely an amazing way to make money if you're stuck at home with nothing to do, and I'm going to show you all the secrets. But before we jump into the content of this video, let me give away $10 as always. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to, and I'll be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description. I always have a bunch of things I'm giving away for free, so check it all out, check out my social media. And right now let me share my screen and let me show you how to get paid to test websites and apps in 2020. Now the first website I wanted to show you is userfield.com. okay, it is a free to join website. As you can see, this is a website that companies go to if they want their websites and apps being tested. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will click on become a tester right here, and this will open up a different page. So as you can see, it says become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes, which means you can make an easy $30 an hour, or even much more, and it starts with 10 minutes. So even if you just have 10 minutes, you can still make some money. We have a little video explaining all of it, and as you can see, we have a little FAQ as well, so all the answers to your questions are right here. And the cool thing is that these guys actually pay out via PayPal, so money goes directly to your PayPal after the test. Then you can pay for anything you want online, or you can just transfer it to your bank account. PayPal is amazing because this is instant cash directly to your PayPal, and then you can do whatever you want with it. And again, $10 per test, that's where you're starting, and 10 minutes is where you're starting as well. So that's userfield.com. Another website I wanted to show you is usertesting.com. Very similar. So again, companies go to this website to find people just like you to test their apps and websites. What we're gonna do is click on get paid to test, and again, this will open up a different page. And as you can see, it says top brands want to hear from you, get paid to share your opinions and experiences. And actually, if I'm going to scroll right here, it works in 3 simple steps. Okay, so you're gonna sign up, then you're gonna take the test, and you're gonna get paid. And as you can see, you're gonna make $10 for every 20-minute test you do. So $10 every 20 minutes, that's $30 per hour. And again, even if you just have 20 minutes, you can take a test and make $10. Super easy. They actually work with big companies like Home Depot, like Facebook, like CBS, like Adobe, like Ford. So these guys are legit. They actually paid out over $1 million. And the cool thing is that you can sign up for free. And as you can see, how do I get paid? Let's click on it and let's see. We pay our test participant via PayPal, and you're gonna be receiving a PayPal money transfer every 7 days. So guys, they pay via PayPal up to $30 per hour, and again, these tests are 10 to 20 minutes. Super easy. Usertesting.com. Next up, I got trymyui.com. okay, so this is another website, and as you can see, you can become a Try My UI tester, get paid to use websites and apps, and give your honest feedback. So they actually don't have a lot of information, but if you want more information from these guys, you have to put in your full name, your email, and you have to create your password to create your account. Now, as you can see right here, how will I be paid? We send payments out every Friday through PayPal. Tests are cleared for payments after being reviewed and accepted by our graders. So again, PayPal money, and as you can see, they also say you will be paid $10 for each test you take, and the typical test takes 20 minutes on average. So again, you can make an easy $30 per hour, and these tests are 10 to 20 minutes. Super easy. Next up, I got userlytics.com. So here you're gonna get paid to test websites and also apps, and as you can see, all you have to do is register, then interact with a website or mobile app, and get paid via PayPal. So as you can see, once your test results have been approved, depending upon user test project, you're gonna get paid $5, $10, $15, or even $20, or other amounts. Some of our projects pay as much as $90 for having having fun expressing opinions while navigating the net. Okay, so this is again getting paid via PayPal and up to $90. Pretty crazy, guys, right? So again, you're gonna get paid to test websites and apps, and again, this works in 2020 right now, and it will work in 2021 and beyond. Okay. Number 5, I got the last website for you, Analasia.com. Now this is for software, okay, so not actually websites as well, but mainly websites and software, so not so much apps. All you have to do is just click right here after scrolling down, join the usability testing community. We're gonna click on it, and as you can see, first of all, obviously you're gonna have to sign up, but it says user registration, share your experience. We want your opinion. Get paid surfing websites while telling you what you think. $10 for 10 to 15 minutes. So again, in an hour you can make an easy $40 to $60 per hour. Pretty crazy, guys. And again, it starts with 10 minutes. You can make an easy $10 if you're bored at home or if you have nothing to do. So guys, these are my top 5 websites you can get paid to test. This is super crazy. You know, you don't have to actually know anything, have any experience. This can be done from anywhere in the world, and the cool thing is that you're doing something fun and actually making money. And you know, we're not talking about like $1, $2, $5. We're talking about up to $90 with one of these websites per hour, so you can make some real cash with this. Okay, before I'm going to let you go, let me see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. This is my previous video, get paid to watch movies at home 2020 top 9 watch and earn. Check out this video, I'm going to link in it in an iCard right here. So let me just grab the URL and let's see how many comments we have. Let me go to YouTube random comment picker, let me paste in the URL and let's see how many comments we have. 42 comments, and right now let me pick a random winner. We got KP Asma, love from India, and I get the email, so I'm going to send you the $10 right now. Congratulations. If you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know actually where to send the money to. Okay guys, so as you're seeing, I just sent the $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Congratulations, and again, do these 4 things if you want to win $10, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description. I have some free case studies, some free courses. You can sign up for my next free live training, so you can do this as well. Check out my social media. I always share tons of stuff about making money online and working from home, all for free. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel as well, and I can't wait to see you in the next video, right? Ciao, see ya.